Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to work on the page like page color, page border. So before starting the video, if you didn't watch my previous videos, go on the link given in the description below. So let's start one by one. So the first one is how to change page color. So for this, I will go on the design option in the menu bar. So when I click on the design option, you can see on the right side, this is page color. So I will select on this option. Here you can see there are lots of colors available. I can select any one. Let's say I select green. You can see that now the page color is changed. If you want more colors, again go on the page color, more colors. The next option is more colors. If you want more colors, you can select from these options. Here you can see that the color is changing. I will click on OK. Now you can see that the color is changed now from more color option. So next option is if you want to click on fill effects, what will happen? So here you can see that there is option of one color, two colors, preset. So if I select on one color, you can see that this is pink color. We can change the shading styles like horizontal, vertical, diagonal. You can see in the sample that the color, the page color will be like this from center and from corner. So from corner, I will click on OK. Now you can see that from the corner, this is shading. Next, I will select on two colors. Again, I will go on fill effects. I will choose two colors. Now see what will happen. I can change the color from here. I can choose orange color 2. I can choose blue. So let's say what happened. Two colors, shading styles we can change on vertical, horizontal. We can choose horizontal here. So I will go on OK. Now you can see that horizontally there are two colors. This is orange and this is blue. And this page color will be applied on every page in your document. You can see that there are two colors and on both pages the color is changed. So this is how to apply two colors at the same time from fill effects option. Next, preset. So this is here you can apply more options: daybreak, nightfall, late sunset. I will go on OK, and this is sunset effect is applied here. So this is how to apply different colors to your page. Next is if I want to, again I will go on fill effects, and if I want to add texture on the back of your page. So how will you do this? You can select any one of these. Let's say I select this one. I will click on OK. Now you can see that this is the texture of your page. It will apply on each page. You can select anyone. Now again I will go, and next option is pattern. So here you can see the pattern of your colors. Here you can change the colors, like you can change this blue or green, anyone. Here I can change red, let's say. So this is pattern. You have to select the pattern of your own choice. You can select any one of these. So let's say I will choose this. This is the sample of your page. I will click on OK. You can see that the your pattern is changed. Pattern of your page is changed now. So this is how to apply different colors, different styles to your page. And here the last option is how to add picture on your page. If you want to add picture on the background of your page, how will you do this? So here I will select picture. I will select picture from a computer. So let's say the picture is on the desktop. I will choose the picture. I will choose let's say I will choose this picture, insert, and then OK. So the picture is not so clear. I have to first click, then I have to go on this option. Again, I check this option, select picture, I can change the picture. Again, I will go for desktop. I will choose another picture like this one, insert, OK. Now you can see that the picture is changed. The picture is changed here, and there are small pictures on this page. Small portions of pictures are added on one page, so it depends on which industry you are working or how do you want it to look. So this is how to add picture on the back of your page. If I want no picture or no color, I will select no color. So now you can see that there is no picture or no color on the back of this page. This is how to add picture, how to add color on the back of your page. So next is page borders. Again, for page border, I will select page border. So there are multiple options. On the left hand side, I get this dialog box. It says, what is the setting type do you want? Borders. So this is setting, none, box, shadow, 3D. This is a sample. This is a preview of your page. Custom. So here you can select anyone. Let's say I select box. So this is a box given here. You can pick anyone. Now, how do you want page border or outline? So this is settings. Then I will pick style of your border. So these are multiple styles. Here I can choose anyone. Let's say I choose this one. So this is a sample of how your page look. Then I can change color also. This is the color. I can change the color of our page. Let's say I choose brown color. So this is the preview of your page. And I can change width. I can increase or decrease the width of this page border. I can increase, I can decrease. Okay? So next is page border. So for page border, again, I will go on. Next is page border. So for page border, I will go on design, then page borders. So when I click on page borders, I get a dialog box. It says, what is the setting type do you want? Right now, it is given as none. If you want some page border, let's say on this box, see this is a box given here. I click on this box. Now, how do you want page border or outline? We have to select the style. So here I can choose any style. Let's say I choose this one. Here's a preview of your page, that how your page will look like. Then I can change the page color. Let's say I choose red. Then I can increase or decrease the width of this border. I can choose 1 point, then apply to paragraph or apply to whole document. So you can choose from this option. Next, OK. Sorry, this was applied to this paragraph. I will click on the page and then I will go for page border. So again, I will go for page border. Sorry, I will select anyone. Let's say I select dotted, then color. I choose blue color. I can change width. I choose this one. Then apply to whole document. Here on the document this will apply. Okay. Now you can see that the border is applied to the pages on the whole document, and 2 pages are there on this document, so the border will be applied on both pages. Now you can see that the border is applied. If you want to change width, you can go on this option. You can increase the width. Now the width is increased. So this is how to apply border. Next, if you want to add some picture on your border, so how will you do this? Page borders, then below width there is an option art. When you click on this arrow, you will see that there are lots of pictures. You can add this picture on your page border. Let's say I select this flowers. So this is a preview of your page. When I click on OK, you can see that your border is changed. Your border is flowered now. So this is how to add page colors and page borders to your document. So that's all for this video. For more videos, keep watching.